So I'm going to ask Evelyn, if you're in the room, why don't you open your camera and say hello, greet everyone. Evelyn? Evelyn.
Yes, I'm here and I'm so happy to see you all. A very, very warm welcome to everyone. We had a wonderful day yesterday, and today we will have another amazing day, and we have 155 people who have registered for this workshop from all continents, more than 30 countries. Linda, she is in Oregon. It is morning for her, and our friends in New Zealand are already tomorrow. Welcome to everyone.
Welcome. So exciting day today. Let me show you what our plans are.